Hi, y'all. It's my birthday. Well, not really, but if it was, there'd be no better way to celebrate than with a bag full of possibilities, straight from Baker's Creek. Wow, a bag of flavor, color, soul, and soil. Yes, please. Let's open it up, one gorgeous seed at a time. Yahoo! Okay, so let's get started with the big horse spotted corn, speckled tall and born to shine. And next you have the clay cowpeas, deep roots, rich soil, beans with a legacy. Oh, here's the Armenian yard-long cucumber, smooth, curvy, and up to a yard long. Yes, ma'am. Okay, now next we have the Nkrumah Tintin. This is okra. It's bold, strong, and gumbo ready. And then we have the Sahara kale, desert tough and nutrient packed. Okay, now we have the Southern Giant curled mustard, curled spicy and southern to the fore. Oh, the Chinese giant leaf mustard, massive leaves, big flavor. And then we have the white scallop squash, buttery, tender, and UFO cute. And there's the common mullein, variety leaves and healing vibes. You gotta have it, you guys. Oh my gosh, we got dwarf moringa, mini tree, mighty benefits. Oh my goodness, the Gelber Englischer custard squash from Germany, flavorful and prolific. Oh, you could tell I'm so excited. We have the Royal Golden Watermelon, golden rind, juicy heart. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Strawberry watermelon, tiny, sweet, and snackable. And then we have the Green Wave mustard. Back again with that bold flavor kick. Oh, and we got the Dr. Witch yellow tomato, golden, buttery, and unforgettable. The Pink Beauty Amaranth, tall, pink, and totally fab. And that's a wrap.